Good morning, everyone. We're finishing up this week of virtual preschool, and I am so glad you decided to join me for circle time today. So let's figure out what the day of the week is. The last day of school we had was Wednesday, Thursday, so today is Friday. Yes, let's move our rainbow arrow down to Friday. There we go. All right, and who remembers the name of our month? Remember, we have a new month this week. March, that's right. And remember, St. Patrick's Day comes in March. So let's figure out the number. 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. Yes, and let's figure out, well, actually, we can't quite figure out the picture, right? Because we don't know the pattern yet. So far we have clover, clover, leprechaun. Let's see what comes next. So we have a number 4 with another leprechaun on it. All right, let's see. We got to keep going. That was Thursday, yesterday. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? 5. And so far we have clover, clover, leprechaun, leprechaun. Let's see what comes next. So we have a number 5 with a rainbow and a pot of gold. My goodness, this pattern is quite different than the ones we've done before, isn't it? So we have clover, clover, leprechaun, leprechaun, rainbow. I wonder what's going to come next. All right, so today is, let's say our whole date. Today is Friday, March 5th. 2021. All right, so now we need to look out the window to see what the weather is like at your house. So when you look out the window, does it look partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or snowy? And for the temperature, when you step outside, does it feel burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold? And don't forget to check on your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa's weather app to find out what the temperature is today, the actual number for the temperature. All right, so this week we have been talking all about colors, right? But not just any colors, 3 of the most important colors, right? Does anyone remember what those are called? Yep, they're called primary colors. And does anyone remember what the primary colors are? If you said red, yellow, and blue, you are correct. And does anyone remember why those 3 colors are so special? If you said that it's because they make up all the other colors in the rainbow, you are correct. So next week we'll be talking about how to mix them to make the other colors in the rainbow. So let's see what our book is today in our mystery envelope. This book barely fit in there. All right, so this book is called One World, Many Colors. We share one world, we share many colors. White shines and sparkles. It's in the desert of Oman. An Arabian oryx is moving through the sand dunes. The animal has strong legs and long, sharp horns. It's in Antarctica. At the bottom of the world, penguins are swimming and seals are resting on the shore. The frozen land furls out forever. It's in sunny Australia. The Sydney Opera House is moon bright in the morning light. Ferries are crossing the harbor and clouds are floating in the sky. Pink blooms and brightens. It's in the blossom of Japan. In springtime, the cherry trees grow thousands of little flowers. The petals are light and soft. It's in a sweet-smelling Paris bakery. Look, pink macarons and trays full of cakes and pastries. Which treat would you choose? It's on a wide lake in Kenya. The flamingos are balancing on long legs. Some are dipping their beaks in the water. The birds live under big African skies. Yellow glows and gleams. It's in a soccer stadium in Brazil. The fans are cheering and singing songs. When their team scores a goal, they give a roar as loud as thunder. It's on the streets of New York City. The taxi cabs are honking their horns. People are hurrying this way and that under buildings that stretch up to the sky. It's in the sunflower fields of Spain. The flowers are swaying in the breeze. There are too many to count. The only sound is the whisper of the wind. I love sunflowers. Blue shimmers and soars. It's in the deep ocean. The blue whale is the giant of the seas, the biggest animal on planet Earth. Its enormous tail moves slowly and steadily as it swims. It's in the sky above Mount Everest. The mountain is so high that it can take 2 whole months for climbers to reach the top. It's in the Canadian woods in winter. Shh, it's a blue jay. All the trees are covered in glittering snow. The bird's bright feathers help to keep it warm. Green glistens and grows. It's in the wilds of South Africa. A chameleon is slinking along a branch. It's green now, but it has a secret. It can change color to match its background. Look at that. It's in the countryside of Vietnam. The farmers in the rice field are wearing wide hats to shelter from the sun. The field is very green, so the rice is nearly ready. It's in the Amazon rainforest. The tangled green jungle is swarming with life. Monkeys and toucans, jaguars and parrots, butterflies and snakes. How many animals can you see? Red dances and dreams. It's in Hong Kong at Chinese New Year. Lanterns are hanging in rows and fireworks are bursting in the sky. The lanterns give off a rosy glow. It's in London at rush hour. A double-decker bus is driving across Westminster Bridge. Drifting everywhere are the noises of the city. It's in Egypt at sunset. The pyramids are old, mighty, and silent. As the day ends, the sun's last rays wash the ancient stones in red light. Egypt is one of the places I would absolutely love to go to see those pyramids. We share one world. We share many colors. All right, lots of colors around the world, aren't there? Okay, so I just have one thing to show to you today. In your packet, you have something that looks like this. So this is a roll and count and color activity that you've done before. You can either use this die and cut it, have your mom or dad cut it out and put it together, or if you have a regular die with just the dots on it, you can use that too. So what you will do is write your name on the top. You'll roll the die, either this one with the crayons or one with dots that you have at home. Whichever number is on the top when the die falls down is the number that you will count the dots or the crayons, and then you will color in that number. So if you roll a 5, you would color in the 5 crayon. If you rolled a 2, you would color in the 2 crayon. All right, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will hopefully see a lot of you today at packet pickup time. All right, have a great day. Bye, everyone.